Do you ever feel deflated when your latest video that you put so much time and effort into only gets 250 views? But what if I said that that was the equivalent of giving a TED talk to a packed auditorium of 250 people who've chosen to come and listen to you speak? That's not failure, that's influence. You'll see lots of videos on YouTube titled, "If you've got less than 500 views, do this," as if less than 500 views is some kind of failure. But success on YouTube isn't a one-size-fits-all. For a small creator, 250 views is a huge success. You just have to shift how you're looking at it. Let me explain. A few years ago, I was asked to speak at a conference, and I thought there was only going to be about 20 people. But when I walked into the room, there was about 250 people. The place was packed. I was absolutely terrified. My hands were sweating. I fluffed my intro, but I still told my story anyway. And despite all those initial nerves, I settled into it. And afterwards, people were coming up to me and speaking to me and telling me that what I'd said really resonated with them. And that moment really hit hard to me because real people were coming up and saying that what I'd said had made a difference. And your videos on YouTube might be doing exactly that same thing. So what if you stood up in front of a packed auditorium of 250 people and told your story? I bet you wouldn't feel like a failure then. Now let's take that a little bit further. What if after that speech, a dozen people came up to you afterwards to tell you on how well you did, on how what you said really resonated with them, how it gave them value, that what you said had helped them in some way? You'd be absolutely delighted with that. You would go home on cloud nine. You'd be really pleased that something you'd done had made a difference to some people. So if you're getting 250 views on your YouTube videos, then that's exactly what those videos are doing. They're making a difference to someone. They're actually giving someone some value, and it's giving some message that really resonates with those people and that they'll actually remember. So why, when we're getting such low views on our YouTube videos, does it not feel that way? But here's the trap that small creators like you and I fall into. YouTube will make you believe that success is scale. We see these large channels who are getting thousands or tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of views. But what if success isn't scale? What if it's depth? We're so busy chasing that scale, that success, that we're ignoring the crowded room that we already have. Well, those 250 people that have already watched our video. Every view is a person. Every comment is a handshake. Every thumbs up is a handshake. It's a well done. It's an acknowledgement that what you have said in your video has provided some value to that person. Every subscriber is someone saying that, yeah, I like this person, I want to hear more from them. From now on, when you start thinking that you're not getting enough views on your videos, I want you to picture the fact that you are filling a room with your audience. Every time you publish a video, you're slowly filling that room. It might be 10 people today, it might be 50 people tomorrow. Maybe in 2 weeks' time, the room's full. If you showed up every week and started speaking, and that room was filling every week, would you quit? No, you wouldn't. You would lean into it. Look at YouTube as a series of rooms. And some of those people in those rooms will never forget that thing that you've told them. So next time you look at your analytics and you see that that video has only had 248 views, don't look at it as, oh, it's only 248 views. Tell yourself, I filled the room. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would this shift in perspective change how you look at your views that you're getting to date? Because it should. If we haven't met before, my name's Steve, and I'm documenting my own YouTube growth journey and trying to help others with what I've learned. If you're interested in growing your own YouTube channel and you'd like to come along for the ride, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you've enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot. All that's left to say is I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.